How to change T-Mobile internet to 2.4 GHz. To change your T-Mobile home internet to the 2.4 GHz frequency, follow these steps. Open the T-Mobile internet app. Launch the T-Mobile internet app on your smartphone or tablet. Go to network settings. At the bottom of the app, select the network option. Add a new network. Click the plus symbol to create a new network. Set up the 2.4 GHz network. Finish creating the network. Scroll down and click Add. Click OK to finalize the creation of your new 2.4 GHz network. Check WPA settings. Ensure the WPA version is set to WPA/WPA2, which automatically adjusts the encryption to TKIP and AES. Test your connection. If you experience any connection issues, try connecting your device to both the new 2.4 GHz network and the existing 5 GHz network to see which works better. By following these steps, you can easily change T-Mobile internet to 2.4 GHz.